Hey guys, today I'm going to make some chicken vegetable soup. So let's get crocking. I've got 4 russet potatoes, 4 carrots, 2 stalks of celery, and 4 boneless, skinless chicken thighs there. So I'm going to get that stuff cut up into bite-sized pieces and get it into the slow cooker. Everything's cut up and it's in the crock pot, and I left the skin on the potatoes and carrots. Now here's where I'm going to do something a little different. I tried this the other day and I liked it. I'm going to use coconut water. This is 1 liter or 33.8 ounces, and it kind of gives it kind of a mild sweet flavor. But if you don't want to do this, you could just use water and add some chicken bouillon cubes, or use those boxes of chicken broth. But I kind of like the flavor of this. It's a little different, and coconut water is supposed to be pretty healthy as well. I think a box of this costs about $5. And I'm going to season this with some onion powder. I like onion powder, so I'm always pretty generous with that. Or you could cut up a whole onion if you wanted to. Alright, there we go with that. And some Johnny's seasoned pepper. Besides the pepper, that has sugar, red and green bell pepper, garlic, and onion in it. I'll just put about that much, and usually at the end you have to taste it and add a little more seasoning and salt or whatever it needs. A little bit of kosher salt here as well. I'll just do a little bit there, and like I said, I'll add more at the end, taste it at the end. Now I'll get it all mixed together. And I'll get the lid on. I'm going to cook this on high. If you cook it on low, the cooking time will probably be about twice as long. And I'll let you guys know how long this takes. It's been about 5 hours. This smells good. It ought to be about done. Let's take a look. See if these carrots are tender. Yeah, it looks like they are. Alright, let me stir that up a bit and I'll grab a bowl and we'll try it out. Put a little bit of this in a bowl and let it cool down a little bit. Let's see how it looks. Chicken breaks right apart with a spoon, nice and tender. Get a little bit of everything here and try it out. It's good. Has kind of a nice subtle sweetness to it. Want to try it, Annie? Here you go. Try carrot first. Oh, she liked that carrot. She likes carrots. Try some chicken there. Yep, seems to be Annie approved. Well, that ought to feed us for a couple of days, and it'll probably be better tomorrow. Sometimes when it sits, it thickens up more and all the flavors blend together more. Anyway, I'll write everything in the description like usual. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.